Hello, this is PHP training course, and today, day 7, I will guide you how to work with switch statement in PHP. Okay, so now let's get started. I will close this one and open Sound page. Okay, here, and now I will go ahead to create a new file here. And save it is switch PHP. Okay, cool. And here we have open type. Body. Okay, here I will open the conditional statement example first. Here in the basic, I have guided you how to work with the conditional statement. It is if, else, and else in the PHP here. And today in the day 7, I will use the same example here, but instead of using the if, else, if, I will be using the switch for demonstration. Okay, so now I will back to copy this one first and back to switch. Okay, here remove. Okay, here I have switch. Okay, I have date. Okay, it should be 6, it should be 2, and two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and by default it should be Sunday. Okay, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Tuesday, and Monday. Okay. Okay, cool. So here I will open the browser, localhost. It should be PHP here. And here the message today is Friday. Okay, I will try to change the value for that variable here. For testing, go through all of the cases here. To Monday, 3, it should be still no. Thursday. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, or another day, blah blah here, should be Sunday. Okay, back to 6 because I love Friday. Okay, cool. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and after you finish this day, you know how to work with the switch statement in PHP, and of course the switch and the conditional statement should be the same thing, but you should select the right one when you work with the PHP code in the project. Okay, Hope that video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.